Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review of this camera desktop mount. The reason of course why I bought this is because now I have a really huge office to record. No, of course I have a very small office here. I have my office or studio, but it's very small, and so when I put the tripod in the middle of the room, it could be almost a trip hazard. So I've decided to try such a desktop camera mount. Of course, I can tell you already right from the beginning, even though it looks pretty cool, very tempting, it has some advantages, but it has also some huge disadvantages. Imagine you are recording exactly like me. You're sitting here, having your elbows and not only talking with your mouse, but also with your hands, and then everything is shaking, camera mount shaking, and the camera is shaking as well. At least this is what could happen. So huge advice to step maybe a little bit back and only touch when it's really needed, or use a camera with good stabilization. Some video editing programs have also stabilization, but maybe not comparable to a GoPro. GoPros on the other hand have limited quality when it comes to low light, so it's then maybe not super easy to work with that, but I still wanted to give it a try. So this is how we get it. Comes nicely protected, makes a really good impression, I would say. Yeah, positive surprise regarding the build quality. You can see you can screw this, and so we can untighten this and make this longer, yeah, even much longer. You can see how long this thing can be. Yeah, everything makes a really good impression. That's good quality. That's a solid thing. Easy to open, easy to secure, but of course we don't have any kind of stabilization. What we get is this transportation carry bag for a desktop mount. Yeah, I don't know, maybe there's a situation where we would need that to go to a friend for recording. And on top of that we get even this camera mount, and even the second one, I'd say that's a more simple one. You can just screw this on top. Why would we need that? We already have that. I don't know. But this one here, of course, could be very helpful because it has this 360 joint. So we just screw this in here. And so to secure this, we have to tighten this screw. Yeah, makes good impression. What's also important here, to have decent size here for the desk and something which is easy to screw. Yeah, maybe there are things which are easier to rotate, but the whole thing, the whole bracket makes a good impression. Of course, you can also use the screw itself. So let's see how this works. Fits perfectly. Okay. Yes, really nice hold. So again, we can adjust the height here. So put it in the lowest position, and so of course we need to secure it, that we can add the camera, for example this GoPro here. So we screw this on top, untighten it again, and so you can see we can turn it around, use it in pretty much any angle, for example like that. Yeah, and you can see it has a really solid hold. There's nothing moving here. Really nice. But of course, if you keep talking like me and the whole desk is moving, this thing will also be moving. Also something to be aware of, that of course you cannot adjust the distance anymore. So the only thing which you have is your focus, or actually the zooming or telephoto lens which you have. So if you're using a camera with a rather narrow field of view, then maybe this could not work for you. With a normal tripod, you can just move the tripod a little bit away. Something also to think about before you buy. Just test the distance with the camera which you are using, or you decide for a new camera with even great stabilization. Why not? A lot of DSLR cameras these days, they have absolutely great stabilization. But I'm really surprised how stable this thing here is. Yeah, definitely not a bad thing. Really positive surprise. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.